Ceylon Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. Organic extra virgin coconut oil harvested from the purest coconut kernels in the tropical island of Sri Lanka is a nutritiously rich oil with a tropical aroma and mild coconut taste that has plenty of uses. Our coconut oil goes through cold pressing, whereby utilizing less heat, chemicals are removed, preserving all the nutrients of the extra virgin coconut oil. Organic extra virgin coconut oil contains good cholesterol as it contains healthy saturated fats good for the heart. It also has antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties and antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties which boost immunity. It also helps prevent liver disease and reduce asthma complications. Coconut oil is also increasingly pursued by individuals for its benefits to the skin as it protects from skin irritations and also vitamin E prevents damaged hair. It is also used for oral health due to its antiviral properties. Organic extra virgin coconut oil is perfect for cooking, baking, skincare, hair care, oral health and more. It is often used for deep and shallow frying due to its high heating points. Sauteing and other cooking methods. It can also be used in baking as a great alternative to butter and as a spread on toast. As a salad dressing and even popularly eaten raw or with tea or coffee for instant energy. Extra virgin coconut oil is also good for natural and safe body care and is a head-to-toe moisturizer for all ages, even newborns. Our coconut oil also works great for hair and can promote hair growth and hair thickness rapidly. Extra virgin coconut oil can be used on aromatic therapies as it has pure tropical aroma. Thanks for watching.